Yo, it's your boy Mr. Candlestick back again with another video. So today I'm going to discuss and share about some of my thoughts about what I see in the upcoming week. So this is SPY. I analyzed this trade chart yesterday. Uh, so let's see some of the few things that I see. First of all, I on weekly you can see that this on daily as well, but on weekly it's much a little cleaner. We can see SPY is rejecting this downward trend line. One came back, boom, rejected, huge sellers. Then it came back and it kind of looked like rejected. Let's see, let's analyze with this one. So this is something like a pin bar, but it did not close. If it closed like the in here, it definitely a pin bar, but this kind of looked like a doji. So but in here it let me double check before make a statement. Just if you're not sure about something, just Google it. Google has everything. That's something we have. Yeah, this was a, it says it's a bearish pin bar, but for example, this candle has to close red in order to be classified as a bearish pin bar. So for this one, this looks like a bearish pin bar. Yes. I want to share my other screen, but I'm using Google Play, Google, Google, Google or Microsoft Play or something to record my screen. So it only allows me to share only one screen. If I minimize this, I'm not sure if I think it will not record my wallpaper either. So this is a pin bar. So which means this is a bearish candlestick pattern on this supply area with this downtrend. But when you zoom out a little bit further, you can view this as a bullish flag as well. So it's on weekly, so week candles take a lot of time and you will have a lot of time to think and see how the market is moving. If we want to break out this flag, we definitely have to bounce here on a 418 area. If we can see a bounce on this area, we can see okay, the flag is about to break above, or else if it break below, I will be looking to enter into put entries as put entries with the market. Yeah, if the market on let's say Monday, if the market uh, open around here, it can break below and go come here and bounce. But if it move open about here, we can see straight down. It depends, market can do various things. It can open here and move above, then reject here and come back, or it can go down, bounce here, then go there. Market can do various stuff. Even it can like never come here. It can come here, break below, and move to the downside straightly. Market, it's a prediction game. You cannot like 100% say, oh, this has to be happen. What I'm saying? You have to accept. And if you go to regular job, you can you can do stuff, but like to adjust your environmental in your order. But in the market, you have to listen to the market always. So let's see how the uh, how the week is formed. And I see the same thing on QQQ as well. um, it looks like kind of rejected there. So let's see. But if we get like a volume the week last week and form this candle on the charts, definitely the upcoming week's gonna be very bearish, but with the volume and stuff, we will have to wait and watch how the week plays. When I go to stocks, first, this is my favorite stock, Tesla, to take options trades, because they have great volume on their options chain, and the price moves. If you know what you're doing, you can make a lot, but at the same time you can lost a lot too. I lost a lot to learn how to trade, and I'm not still not perfect, because I have a lot of mistakes that I do every day. It's about the process. It's about you learn a lot of stuff on your way to the top. So it's the same process to everyone, so you cannot skip them. If you want to skip, like, you have to be like, I don't know how to skip this game. You have to go through it and learn by it. So on Tesla, uh I think I shared this last week as well. Before the last week begins, I was looking at the supply area. Let's see. Oh, so the market opened around here last week. So I had this area. I thought it will be break and break above. That's something I think I took a trade to break above, I think on this day, and I lost around 10% or something. It's but I still learn. So for this week, either it has to break below this level, uh, 842, and better entries below 819, or it has to break above this zone and turn this into, now it's supply, and turn that into demand, then move higher. It all depends on how the SPY QQ likes to play their week. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes with the relative strength you can expect otherwise, but most of the time the market moves with these two, because they are the market makers. I don't see much on Apple, because Apple got very choppy. On AMD I still holding on the same thoughts that I was on last week. See, this was the demand, how I drew it. Stock came down, moved aggressively, left some orders unfilled here, then it came and gap down, then retest. So this is validated as a good zone. See, he rejected here again, but it did not came and retest on the way. If we can get a retest around here with a good volume to the upside, we definitely will break this 109.5. On Amazon, it's very choppy, so I will not personally like to trade this, so I'm not gonna share any thoughts about it either. Meta, very trash. Either it has to break below this. Let me see why I drew this line. Yeah, okay, see, move higher. This is the last candle, so this is considered as a demand zone. That's why it's bouncing here, unable to break below. If I want to take trades for the upside, I will round this up as 184, above 184 or below. I don't like to take below trades on here, because it's very choppy around here. When I first start, I used to take like every trade I see without validating, but now I'm trying to take only what's like high probable. uh, this is maybe this can be a high probable trade as well, but as what I'm saying, I don't consider this as a high probable trade. Some other trader might say, oh, this is high probable, and you might comment on my comment sections. If you have any other trade idea about what I'm seeing, please share it with me, because I like to learn. And when you share your thoughts, please do me this favor, please rationalize about what you see. Like, say, okay, this is what I see, and this is the reasons what I'm seeing, so I can share with that with everyone else as well, so we all learn. it's about learning and moving on, and keep learning, because this is unlimited knowledge you have. There's no secret source, there's no secret indicator, there's no secret price action, there's no secret. You just have to go through it. You have to learn, like you have to stay patient and gather every information you see. So on Nvidia has rejected this area. On here I see something. Let's see what I'm seeing. Okay, on around here, around here I can see some zone forming. See, move higher aggressively, and it's not this level is not a perfect level. I just drew it. Maybe let's anything can happen around these levels. The last 171 was not a perfect level because I just drew it while I'm doing, but I don't like to leave those type of levels, because this is how I like to make money. This is how I like to introduce myself as in the future. So I don't draw levels and stuff without properly looking. I spend a little bit time to when I draw and analyze something, because once you do a good analyze, you can trust about it, or else it's gonna give you a very hard time. Like I had to deal with in the past few like years and stuff. So same thing on QQQ. I shared already on QQQ, right? Yeah. So this is what I'm seeing for the next week, upcoming week. It's either up or down. I cannot guarantee say that. It's all about how I trade, because I'm not I like to capture small moves, like small means on the time period. Like I like to day trade, so I don't keep an idea about long term and how this will move. I analyze the market every day and see how I see opportunities and I perceive them. This is my ideas about the upcoming week. So if you have any other idea about okay, this is not how it goes, this is how it goes, please share it, and please share why you say about that. And if you can share a screenshot or whatever the thing you can do, let's be creative and share it with me, so we all can learn. So this is my thoughts. See you on the next one, and comment if you don't want to comment, just send me a direct message via Instagram, so we can connect and hang out. So happy trading everyone. See you. Good luck on the upcoming week.